Hey girl, hey. It's Wednesday. You know what that means. It's shopping Wednesday. And it's super hot today. This is the hottest it's been in a few weeks.
It's hot, yeah.
Yeah.
It's about to get that hot.
Our market's going to be super hot. At least it won't be raining, hopefully. What's worse than hot? Hot and rainy. Because then it gets steamy. I hate that. Hopefully it'll be a nice day. And a lot of people will come out and we'll sell a lot of stuff because we need to. I've been backloading this business since January, like paying table fees and stuff, and haven't gotten much return on my money yet because one market was canceled, another one we only did one day because it was so rainy, and the other one was okay. That was great for the money and for the first one was great. So we went to quite a few places today as usual. But I really hardly got anything today. We had Mark's birthday party last night, the Janet, Mark, and Sean birthday. He had his pot pie that he asked me to make, and he ate way too much of it, and he was very happy, so that's all you need to know. And he was like a little hibernating bear. He wanted to go to bed early after that because his tummy was all full. So, first stop today was Sam's Club. And what a disappointment. The only thing I got at Sam's Club today was a case of made goods and a sourdough loaf. I felt like a real horse's ass walking out of there with just 2 items, but
that's all we needed.
That's all we needed. It was nice to have a walkabout. I need the steps. Then after that we went to Target, where the only thing that I got was Bowie cookies. Right? That's the only thing I got.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just got some Bowie cookies. Then we went to Michael's. We did go a little overboard at Michael's, but they had some clearance, so...
Crazy.
No. But I wasn't expecting to buy yarn.
Yeah.
I didn't get anything that was on clearance. She did. That'll be on the crochet video, if you're interested. Then we went to Aldi. And Aldi, if Aldi was a girl, she would be the hottest bee in school. That seasonal aisle cannot be matched. They just always provide. I was looking for a box for my furls hooks because you can barely fit any in like a holder. So now they have these big Snackle boxes. And I'm pretty sure you could take these out too. So I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 areas to put my furls hooks. So I'm very excited for that. $7.99. We got some more of the fudge cookies because I'm down to 1 cookie. 2 a day, it's a rule. Sometimes I only eat like 2 a week. Bowie, stop. Nobody's there. Alright, so then provolone for pizza night for the vegetarians. Shreddies for the vegans. Some Wild Wonders, that's my favorite. Tonight's Mexican night, so I got the tomatoes with the green chilies. Everybody seems to like that. They didn't have the gluten-free little cookies that I usually get to put in Mark and Sean's lunch. So I got these. He's probably going to grumble about it, but really enjoy them. And I forgot to bring a drink this morning, so I got 2 of these. I left mine in the car because I'm going to get back in the car after I do this to pick up Sean. This, I've always seen this at Aldi, and I never even like looked at it because I just thought it was like sugared. But it's not. This has allulose and stevia in it. So it is 5 calories. It's 0 sugar. It's got pretty decent ingredients. Tea, which is water and tea. Allulose, stevia leaf, extract, monk fruit extract, natural flavors, ascorbic acid, and citric acid. And it is delicious. We used to be huge consumers of the Arnold Palmer mixture, the Snapple one, because it was so delicious. I love iced tea mixed with lemonade. It's just perfection. So this is actually really good. So I'm happy that I tried that. I never would have picked it up if I hadn't forgotten my drink. So I'm glad I found that, because that's another alternative for when I'm shopping and I'm at Aldi. Because Aldi, I don't like their drinks for the most part, because they usually have like just either a lot of energy drinks or they have like sugared drinks. So I'm happy. I'm happy, everyone. Happy. Then we went to ShopRite, and now the ShopRite over there, which we don't normally go to, has Forager. I wish the other ShopRites had it. Maybe they'll follow suit, maybe they won't. I don't know. I feel like the one that we go to on the weekends is much bigger than the one that we went to today, so why don't they have it? I'm hoping they do get it eventually. My can opener broke last night, so I had to pick up a new can opener. And let me tell you something. Can openers, out of control. We were looking, what did they have, like 10 different can openers?
They had a few, and they were all...
Some were complete crap.
Yeah.
And they were like $10 for the completely crappy ones that like would just last for a week. Then they had a KitchenAid one that was $24 on sale, and that was $4 off.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I don't know.
I wasn't gonna get that one for sure. But I probably should have gotten it on Amazon, but we're having beans tonight, so I need something to open the cans. So I just got this one, which is not the greatest. I've had this one before. It lasted a couple of years, and then it was garbage. So this future garbage one was $16.99. I can remember when I was a kid, like an older teen, and my mom still had the can opener from like her bridal shower. And I was like, whoa, they don't make them like they used to. Now they just make future garbage, which is sad, but I guess if you make stuff too good, you kind of put yourself out of business, which kind of sucks for everyone, but what are you going to do? That is everything that we got. I got to put my perishables away. I remember my parents would always be like, all right, when we get home, we're going to put the perishables away. And I was like, what are perishables? I figured it out. All right, so thanks. We'll see you later. Oh, hello.
Hi, Bowie.
Hi, Lammy. Hello. How are you?
Bowie was just like in a box.
Hi, Bowie. I'm crushing you. Crush, 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 crush. Hi, Lamb. Hi. Said. Hi, Bowie. She said, bring back the camera to me. Hello, Bowie. Hello, Lamb. Oh, hello.
Okay.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Really?
I guess. I packed up the plushies for the UFO fair this morning.
Oh.
I came over earlier than I usually would on a Thursday.
Yeah, you really threw me off this morning. I thought I was going to have a slow morning.
Sorry.
Have a nice breakfast.
Sorry I ruined your day.
I know. How could you?
I just wanted to get it done before it got too
No,
hot
I
in
don't
there.
blame you.
Because it's going to be very hot the next few days, so...
Oh, is that right?
Just better to get it done. But, yeah.
Who would care about you when Lammy's here?
I know. Got it all packed up, so I'm happy about that. Put up
Yeah.
some other work that I usually do on a Thursday, which I'll probably end up doing tomorrow.
We could just look at Lammy all day.
I'm sure you could.
We're watching the Gospel according to Andre.
wonderful.
It's
I've already
very good.
seen it, but I knew that you had to watch it.
I
You
love
have
it.
to. So I'm watching it again. It's
I
that
love
good.
it. It's bringing back a lot of memories from New York in the 70s.
Just wait.
Oh, I'll bet. I'll bet.
Yeah.
Are they going to Studio 54?
Let's see.
La 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 la. Well, guess what?
What?
You already know, but you already know. I cut my bangs at 2 a.m. this morning without my glasses
Oh no.
in the bathroom.
Show everyone the damage.
It's short. It's like,
Audrey Hepburn bangs.
yeah. It's like the jazz vocalist at Kristen's college when she went there.
We love her.
Yes, tiny bangs we
But she
called
had
her.
some very distinct bangs.
They were even shorter.
Yeah. And straight across.
She had Frankenstein bangs, but it worked for her.
Yeah. I mean, if you're confident, you can pull off anything.
I'm not confident.
Well, I'm saying she is.
Oh, yeah, but I'm not. Not really.
I think you're pulling it off.
Thank you. Somebody had a bug in their bonnet before this thing over here. Pulled out the F word.
Oh boy.
Was not happy about that when it screamed out in public.
But he's already come around. He's good boy turkeyed.
Yeah. I'm
And,
so sorry.
He's in a much better mood now, so.
Great. Well, I'm happy for him.
I'm happy for us.
Yeah.
Him, obviously, but
Yeah.
for our sanity as well.
We still have a lot of work to do. We are birthing aliens.
Oh. I'm working on shrimp right now.
Oh, you're working on shrimp?
Yeah.
Patterns have been bought. I'm dying. I want to get to the new stuff, but all I see are aliens.
Yeah.
He's sitting on a spaceship.
That's very fun.
Rrr.
But we'll be talking about that tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Did we film anything besides the haul? No.
Oh, no.
It's just
Why are we so boring?
because it's market season.
Yeah.
And like,
Oh. Sorry, go ahead.
no, we're just trying to get stuff done.
Well, I was going to say, there was big reality TV news today.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Big Brother Canada is coming back.
What?
Yep, it was, the rights were bought by another network, and the show is going to be shot in Montreal.
Oh.
No Arissa Cox, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's
I'm
on
gonna-
a different network.
I'm going to assume it's because it's on a different network now,
Yeah.
but I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if they're going to have live feeds or not. I don't know if it's digital dailies. I don't know if it's no feeds. We don't know yet.
I feel bad for the new host because
She's got big shoes to fill.
she's got big shoes to fill, and the Big Brother community is not shy about
Relentless.
letting people know their opinions.
Yes.
So I feel for her. I would not want to take that job.
Yeah, hopefully she's going to be a good fit.
Yeah. Well, let's get to the birthday shout-outs. Why are you
Alright.
waiting?
Who are you with?
Is today the 4th?
It is.
Oh!
June the 4th be with
Ow,
you.
ow, ow, ow! Well, we have a birthday shout-out for today.
Who you got?
Dawn Ports. Today is your day to
Dawn,
have a
happy
birthday.
birthday.
You were born on this day blah, 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 years ago. We don't know. But happy birthday.
Yes.
Let's see who else is on the birthday calendar. Well,
Oh my god, Lammy. Lammy said, my birthday's this month.
yes. Oh.
She does the tiniest little mews.
Yeah, she goes, ah, meow, 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 meow.
I don't know if I've ever heard her do like a full-on meow.
Yes, we have. That time she got her foot stuck on the...
Well, that was like a yowl. I mean like a straight up like meow.
Yeah, she doesn't do that.
She's a mewer. She mews.
She's a baby cat.
She is like a baby cat.
Said, I'm very soft-spoken.
Yes. Alright, who's your next shout out?
Our next and final birthday shout-out is for the same day as Alien Fest.
Oh.
And that is none other than the one and only Dursey.
Dursey, happy birthday!
And Dursey has provided us with her age.
Okay.
Last year, Dursey was 71, so
Oh
you
my
do the
goodness.
math.
72.
Correct.
Happy birthday, Dursey!
Happy birthday, Dursey. I hope you find Bigfoot.
And shout out to Nikki.
Pull up a frog for Dursey.
What?
A frog.
Why?
She wasn't the one who was sending us the frog thing? Alright, so I thought Dursey was telling us about frogs at one point, but maybe I'm wrong.
I mean, maybe she was. I don't remember.
Did these bangs cut into my brain?
No, you're probably right. I just don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
But all that aside, happy birthday, Dursey.
I hope you two ladies are living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
And on that note, let the market gods be in our favor on Saturday.
Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend.
And next Saturday, it's early enough to look at the weather for next Saturday now. Let's take a quick look at QuickBooks. Oh, but let's see Saturday.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe we'll be able to see Sunday. Just kidding, we can only see to Saturday. Well, Saturday is, oh God, you don't want to know this. Partly cloudy.
Okay.
A low of 72. A high of 89.
Okay, I thought you were going to say it was like 95 or something.
No, but that low of 72.
That's quite warm.
We don't want that.
Yeah.
But no precipitation whatsoever.
Okay. I can do that.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's 10 days in advance, so.
Yeah, let's not count our chickens before they hatch.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see what happens.
Keep your fingers, toes, eyes, and butt crossed.
Okay.
Cross that butt.
Alright. Well, I think that brings us to the end of another vlog.
A very
we're
short,
boring.
lame vlog.
But we're chatting tonight on the live stream. So we hope you'll join us for that. Should be fun.
I'm sure we'll be talking about Big Brother.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to chatting with everybody tonight, so.
Yes, me too. And lamenting all of the work that I have to do tomorrow for the market.
How much do you have to do? Those bags are full.
I don't know.
Alright.
What does my list say? I don't even
know
know where it
went.
is.
It
I
was
probably
over
threw
here
it out.
before.
It was
Wait.
right there. Alright. My list says I have to finish my Night Fury.
Okay.
I have to make a Night Fury magic wand. And I have to do like a bunch more of dragons for the buckets. Baby dragons.
Oh, okay.
Where'd you get this?
And I wanted to make an owl.
Okay, well, good luck.
Thank you.
We'll see.
Or maybe a bee bear.
A bee bear.
What do you think would be easier?
I don't know. I think they're both.
The owl is no so. So like.
Yeah, but that doesn't always mean it's gonna be fast.
True.
You gotta make all the pieces and stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like they're probably about the same amount of time.
Well, Bubby is giving Daddy his home.
Bubby!
So before he starts borking.
Alright, we should sign off.
Alright.
Too late. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. We hope you join us later for the chat. And until, we'll probably be barking then too.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Much love. Bye everybody.